Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Fabrica Keto. Today we will make some delicious chocolate popsicles, low carb and keto friendly. Alright guys, let's start. For this we will need 1 cup of heavy whipped cream. We have to make sure that this is really cold so we can get a really good creamy consistency. We also will need a half cup of condensate milk. If you haven't seen our video how to make a keto condensate milk, I will leave all the links in the description. We put our condensate milk in a container and keep mixing for about 1 minute. Alright, later we will add 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. And we keep mixing all our ingredients for about 3 minutes. Once our mixture have a creamy consistency, we will pour on a popsicle container or on a cup, either one, so we can put them on the freezer for about 6 to 8 hours. I would like to remind that this is really important so our chocolate can stick on our popsicles really good. Okay guys, for our chocolate we only gonna need 220 grams of chocolate and a half cup of coconut oil. Then we're gonna melt our chocolate on a bain-marie way. Okay, once our popsicles are freeze, we're going to add the chocolate, and you can also add some almonds, but this is only one option among many more that you can use. I hope you guys really enjoyed this recipe. As you can see, they look delicious. Here we got them. Alright guys, remember, if you want to lose weight while eating delicious, subscribe to our channel so you don't lose our future recipes. This is Fabrica Keto. We will see you soon. Bye.